While many people believe that all oils are the same, they could not possibly be the same. And quality is the defining factor of whether or not an essential oil is actually going to accomplish what you and I would like it to.
They have to do what they're supposed to do every time. People have a very high expectation of doTERRA's essential oils, that they're going to get the results that they expect. And so we cannot compromise on quality.
Each oil goes through a battery of tests. We do organoleptic testing, specific gravity, GCMS, FTIR, optical rotation, refractive index, we do contamination testing, and we do stability testing every single time.
Quality is job one, and it's at the heart of what we do to ensure that every oil is exactly what we advertise it to be: pure, efficacious, and people can get repeat results, and they know the results that they're going to get.
We take great steps in not just determining the purity of the oil, but understanding in great detail the potency through where we get the plant from, how we distill the essential oil, and how we are protective of that process all the way through. That then gives us an essential oil that has the value that we've all come to expect from doTERRA.
As we source essential oils, quality is at the heart of everything we're doing. When we look for a partner, we look for a partner with knowledge of the plants, knowledge of the distillation processes, knowledge of the chemistry, and someone that we can work with that understands the importance of that. We need partners who are committed to the same cause that we are, which is providing the best oils in the world.
This is why doTERRA came to be. We knew that we had to have an essential oil that we could depend on, that would work every single time. It didn't exist in the marketplace. We knew that we had to go out and create it, which meant we're working with farmers on the ground in 46 countries and growing, so that every single family, every single individual can open up a doTERRA bottle and know they're going to get effective results every single time.